Hi friends, my name is Maya. I am the owner of Kiwi Spa and esthetician of 22 years. In this video, I would like to share with you information how you can prolong results of jet peel facial.
When you do just a facial, just one-time facial, we're doing at spa our very best to penetrate active ingredients deep into your skin, to do a nano channeling so your skin can absorb and as much as possible active ingredients and potent nutrients and also hyaluronic acid that will give tone, boost, hydration. However, our body designed this way that everything what's penetrating in our skin, it slowly start to wash out if we do not refill it with the same formula. As much as we're doing in a spa, but if you don't have the same regimen with the same formula and you don't refill these active ingredients into your skin, because when you refill them, they build up and they building some kind of like chains inside of your skin that helps to keep your skin tone and to produce more of collagen, fibroblast and elastin. And what I want to say with that after your facial, we have a little kit. It calls 21 Day Skin Transformation Kit. This kit has 10 very potent products. It's cleanser, toner, scrub, pumpkin peel, 2 kinds of masks, and then 2 serums, and also moisturizer and sunscreen. So kind of like whole skincare line just in small containers. And also we highly recommend a derma roller and a sunscreen spray, and I will explain why. So first of all, I want to talk about this little kit. It's only $64, but all these products will last you for next 21 days, and you can see results and you can see skin transformation that you can achieve during this time, and then you will know if this product works for you or not. But what it will do? So at Kiwi Spa, we're using all natural and vegan ingredients made here locally in San Diego. Why our products and ingredients are different than any other products that you can find over the counter or in some other salons? Because we invested in nanotechnology. So nanotechnology, it's technology that takes a natural size of molecule and kind of like break it to many little pieces. So molecule has same potency, but actual size, physical size of this molecule is much smaller, and this molecule can penetrate really fast to the deepest layers of your skin, give you faster results. This molecule also absorbed by your skin much faster and much better. This kit has 2 very potent serums that we recommend to use after your facial. These serums are based on the same formulation that we're penetrating to you while we're doing facial. Just concentration is not that strong, but that what will support your results at home. Also, we recommend the derma roller. It's a little roller with very little needles. When you did a facial, we do a nano channeling. It's kind of like we open micro channels on top of your skin and penetrate active ingredients through them. But then after a couple days, like after 3-4 days, once your skin restore and you feel like, oh, my skin back to normal, we highly recommend to use derma roller for 3 minutes every other night. So you would do cleanser, toner, and then on a clean skin you would do derma roller, and you would roll your face between 3 to 5 minutes, depend of your skin sensitivity. When you do roller, you kind of like making these little holes inside of your skin, and in order to heal these holes, your body will kind of like push your own lymph on the surface of your skin, and this lymph will also contain your own stem cells. It's like the best thing that will tighten and brighten your skin and also improve texture. So when you roll, you get a lot of that on your surface. And then if you will put couple drops of this nano serum that we have in this kit, this serum will act as a magnet for your own stem cells. It will connect with your own stem cells, and then by massaging this serum into your skin, you're going to penetrate this serum together with your own stem cells to the deepest layers. And that's how you will refill whatever was penetrated into your skin with your facial. And that's how you will constantly increase your results, and your results will not wash out, will not be washed away. And also sometimes we have at home some other products, and these products can contain silicones, synthetic preservatives that do not dissolve underneath your skin, sometimes parabens, sometimes some humectants synthetically made. And when you put it on your skin, your upper layer become like silky smooth and velvety and everything, but there is some ingredients that unfortunately do not dissolve and they act like barriers, and pure oxygen cannot penetrate through your skin, and also another active ingredients cannot penetrate through your skin too. So we recommend when you do facial with us to take all the products that you use and put them aside and buy this kit and just use this kit for next 21 days. When you use the same formula and all our ingredients are super clean and they potent, and we just know what we're giving you because we want you to have the best result. We want you to come back in a month and say, oh my gosh, I want full size of these products, right? So our goal is to deliver the best results, but it's impossible to deliver if you use at home something that, has either large molecule and cannot penetrate physically into your dermal layer where you create new skin, or these products do not dissolve underneath your skin and they're not delivering same potency like our products. So it's very important to use derma roller, it's very important to use our kit. And then also this kit has the products in this kits, they all very powerful. So your skin might be a little sensitive and your skin will be extra sensitive to the sunlight and to UVA and UVB rays. So with that, I would recommend also to buy, we have sunscreen lotion is already in your kit, but we also have sunscreen spray. And this spray, it's SPF 50, it's all natural, it doesn't irritate your eyes. When you spray it on your face, it's also act like a makeup setting spray, and it also hydrates your skin a lot and it smells amazing, and it's SPF 50, so you need to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. When you're doing that procedures for your skin and when you're using our products in order to avoid pigmentation and irritation and redness. So it's a must, because every sunscreen works only 2 hours. There is no sunscreen that works all day, so it's very important not to touch your skin, not to reapply spray when your skin is not clean, when you have some dust and car pollution on top of your skin. In the morning, when you apply your morning regimen, it's good to apply sunscreen lotion, but then after 2.5 hours this lotion doesn't work anymore, so you need to reapply with a spray, and this spray need to travel with you anywhere you go during a day. These products will make a miracle to your skin.